me as hard as anybody can hit me, unless they're out here in the driveway, and I still think you're hitting me as hard as they would be then. Hey, Walking Eagle, 357 in the 10.
Yep, I see you.
19 years old, and my 12-year-old son.
Hey, old man, down at gate.
837 on the flat side. We standing by.
Hey, you're not as old as you say you are. Pocket knife in the bluegrass.
Hey, on the Virginia, you wrapped my radio up too there when you keyed up with 50 dBs on me. Good afternoon to you around Virginia in the BAM. We wave my hand.
894, I know you wasn't saying hello to me, but...
Well, I got Mother Nature coming from about every cotton picking direction. I got Florida coming in there and the BYU. I got the northeast corner. I got Georgia. I got the Carolinas. Good evening time out here, John Boy.
94.
Okay, Florida. I got this fellow right there.
686 Northwest.
All right, real good. Sounds like a plan, eh, Mr. Walking Eagle? Yeah, that radio sounds really, really well and swell. That's for sure. Top shelf. Treetop tower, wall to wall. No doubt about it. Appreciate the flowers. Keep some of them for yourself. You couldn't sound better if you wanted to. Hey, Walking Eagle, enjoy the rest of your day. Stay warm. 357 working Lisa.
Hey, George, I'll just be there stand for a minute. I'll be back.
Who the hell is JD?
I was talking off wearing mobile then, guy.
Hello, White Eagle, upstate New York. First I had a Walking Eagle, and now I got a White Eagle. I got the whole flock today, it sounds like. Hello, White Eagle, upstate New York, 357 Tennessee.
All right, we got conditions up there. Working man. Hey, working man.
All right, White Eagle, take care up there around upstate New York. Enjoy your Thanksgiving coming up. Mr. White Eagle, upstate New York, 357 Tennessee.
Right back with the holiday wave. Bubbles roll me, God bless you and yours. XYZ on the mail. Hey, go ahead.
Hey, Ranger 123. Get old Top Gun off your mind. I'm just kidding, that's my neighbor, man. Hey, 122 up there around the state of Maine. We still got conditions up that way. Hey, 122, 357, break.
Oh, you're still hammering down. 357? I'm still copying your talk show, absolutely am. You sound real good up here in the corner, sir.
Boy, I heard of asking you shall receive, but that's ridiculous. As soon as I got off the key, you were right back there. I haven't heard nobody in Maine except you, I believe. Hey, 122, just wondering where the conditions were going and what they were doing. Sounds like we still got some conditions on the receiver from your side. 357, pulling back.
Oh, you're putting in some real good numbers. You're putting in some real good numbers up here in the corner, 357. I gotta let you know. You sound real good. Absolutely, and pushing that meter well over there. No doubt about it. Well, Mother Nature is shining down on you. No two ways about it. 357, absolutely. Still got that talk show going. Just wanted to bump it down and acknowledge you and let you know you're still talking up here in the northeast corner on the coast of Maine. 35710, have a good day. 122, we're back on the side.
Alright, 122, yeah, we got the mother load of conditions, I think. Because you're right up in my strawberry patch, and that's where you're staying, that's for sure. Hey, 122, that new antenna's definitely doing that thing. coming through this old antique Moonraker 6 in Tennessee. We'll sit back and listen in again. 357 Tennessee saying keep up the good work.
And that was 40 dB. That was 40 dB. That go around and we're back out.
You have a good one. 837, yeah. Hey, baby, I'm going to make you up on ice.
We're back.
10 Roger on the 40 over. Hey, 122, keep them stirred up. Job well done. 357 back listening in.
There's Davey.
Hello, Jerry. Hey, Jerry, I'm not sure where you're broadcasting from, but you're sounding good in Tennessee. 357 with a wave.
How about that 702?
I think you said you're up around the state of Maine. Hey, Jerry, take it easy. Take care. I heard you shouting for John, boy. Let me get out of the way. Have a great day. Have a good Thanksgiving. 357 Tennessee.
Hey, station number 1, he said hello right back. Station number 1, XYZ with that time. I'm a tough man, but stations out here. John Boy, Tennessee, rate the mail.
Hello, John Boy. Let me wave at you before it gets rough and tough. I appreciate it right there. It's working down here in Birmingham.
He watching you, BB2. Hey, BB, he watching you. XYZ, go.
Oh, we're in Birmingham. We go. Hi, BB. John Boy, your phone ringing, but I'm going to wave a hand out there to Carolina's Top Gun 1, 2, 3 waving.
Who is that CQing? Who is that CQing up there around the state of Maine? 357 said you got conditions in Tennessee, break.
Smoky Hills. Where's Sticky? Bye-bye.
Hear who you was talking to and who you wasn't talking to. 399, happy turkey day coming up. John Boy.
Roger, Roger. 148 up there around the state of Maine. You're sounding good around the Smoky Hills of Middle Tennessee. 357 with a wave.
Hello, there, DX Lane. Georgia, what a wave. Virginia, have a good time.
All right, I appreciate it up around the northeast corner.
All right, 148, take it easy. Big old Turkey Day wave, and take it easy to that other station that shouted for me up there around the state of Maine. Y'all have a big old Thanksgiving coming up. Make it a safe one. Make it a prosperous one. 357 pulling back.
Now, baby, but can you hear him coming back? That is the question. The answer. All right, now.